Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a bit of a video on cleaning my CPU and this cooler block. It'll be all ready for my new Asus Silent Night 2 cooler, which will be coming tomorrow. So firstly, just go through what I've got. So I've got some cotton ball sticks, things, cleaning fluid. It's not really what it is on there, and 2 pieces of tissue. It doesn't really matter what sort of tissue you use, but I've used kitchen tissue. It's a lot, so it makes a bit of a better polish. And basically just go through cleaning. I'll clean the air block first. My Q6600 there. Put it down. Firstly, just get the bud. Scrape off the excess off the bottle, and firstly just gently rub over. This will just start cleaning off the top layers. Block. She's doing quite a nice job here. And just rub off the first layer. And just get the other side of the bud, just to rub off the excess. Just put it around the outside to get the thermal paste off. I'll just get the second bud, and I'll just do the same again. Just get off any excess that I don't want on. Even though I won't be using this block, it's better to keep it nice and clean and shiny. So circular motions following the sort of how it was cut out. Again, swap over. This is just to dry up all the excess that'll be left on the stick, or left on the. And there you go. So second part, tissue paper. I'll just half that, so I need half of it. So 2 halves. Get the 1 half. Sweat it with the cleaning solution. So that, and just rub over. So it'll pull up any of the excess oils or fingerprints or chemicals that are left on. So follow the circular motion. Just get the excess off the corners. Takes a bit of a push on that, and when you're happy with that, use the dry side of the tissue and just wipe off. Again, circular motions. Just put it around the outside. And there you have quite a relatively clean block again. I got the excess from the outside, but I can sort that out if I ever wanted to use it again. So shine it. So that's nice and clean. And next onto the CPU. This is a Q6600. So my thing's already going dry because of solution. Just move it out of the way, so you don't need that now. Rubbish. And once again, take the bud. Just dip it into the solution, scratch off the excess. You don't want to be putting too much into the processor. Just get that, and just once again, show you, just rub off. It's best using the processor to use each side to clean, just because you want to get it as clean as you possibly can. So that's the one side. Generally the CPU does carry quite a lot of the thermal paste when you remove it anyway, so. And then again, just going in a straight line, going straight across. Just get all the edges. And make sure you don't get any of the thermal paste off the metal block, or you're going to have some time trying to get it off. I'll just use a second one just to clean off. Just a nice little rub on the edges. But I did previously test this solution on some other processors just to see how it would do, and it was doing very well, so it's not like I've just gone straight ahead with this. And then the final one. Just gently rub off. You don't want to be putting too much pressure on. Just generally just a small amount of sort of scratching. You're going to see some small heat differences. Just get all the stuff off. The main point of this cleaning liquid is that it wettens the surface that you clean, and then with friction dries. And even on my fingers it's really irritant now. It's too dry. Just one last rub on the stick. The excess off. Just to make sure you're not worried about that, I'll put the cap back on. I wouldn't be dragging that around. And then second part, again, the tissue, fold it in half. You don't want to be wasting your tissue because you don't need a whole lot. A bit of a catastrophe. Use that sort of dry one to clean. And just as before, let's get that. Just 2 quick splats on it. You don't need too much on the tissue, so effective the chemical is. And once again, just rub off on the processor. And if you do it right, if you can get it so it doesn't dry, because it vaporises very quickly. Look at that. And get it off the surface quick. And there you are. Relatively clean. Q6600. See the writing on that. Go, second version. 2.4 GHz, 1066. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. This will be the first of the newer videos. I've got the Asus Onlight 2 cooler coming tomorrow, so I'll be doing a video installation of that, so that'll be pretty interesting. I also bought the cooler Thermal Paste 5, so that'll be pretty interesting because I've had some very good results out of that cooling thermal paste, so we'll see how that goes. So thank you very much for my video. Please comment if you've got any questions on the cleaning. So thank you very much for the video, and please comment and subscribe to my page. Thank you.